In this video, I'll show you how to enter a supplier bill in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the third option, which is purchases. Now, under purchases, head over to the second option and click on bills. And once you are on the bills section, in order for you to create a new bill, simply head over to the top and right corner and click on new bill. Now from here, head over to the bottom and click on new bill. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the bill section where you want to add your supplier bill. On the from, we want to add our supplier. Let's say that this is ABC Furniture. Once you do have your supplier within your contact section, it will automatically pop up in here. Now, select your contact. On the right hand side, you want to set a date for this bill. Let's say this will be the date today. If you click on the drop down and click on the month as well as the year at the top, in here you can set a specific month as well as a year. On the due date, you can set it to be about 7 days or pick a specific date. Let's say that the due date of this invoice will be in 7 days. On the reference, you can also add a reference for this supplier bill. Let's say that this is for office equipment. Now at the bottom in here, you want to add your currency. If you have multiple currencies, then you can also select those. On the right hand side, you can set amounts are either tax exclusive, inclusive, or no tax. Now at the bottom, this is where you need to add the items. So if you have your items within the products and services, you can just simply click on an item and it will automatically add all of its details. What you can also do is manually add the details. So on the description, in here, we will add an office table. Let's say the quantity of this office table is about 20. On the unit price, each table will cost about $200. And on the account section, click on the drop down. From here, you can choose an account. You can choose from your expenses account. Let's say you have an account for your office expenses, then you can also add that in here. Now, once you add your account on the right hand side, it will automatically set a tax rate. Let's say that this is GST on expenses. It will also depend on your tax rates. If you have your tracking options, it will also pop up in here. Mine will be the region. And on the amount in AUD or your currency, it will automatically add the amount depending on the quantity and unit price. And once you're ready to add your bill, head over to the bottom. In here, you have an option to either save as a draft, save or continue editing, save and submit for approval, save and add another. On the right hand side, if you want to approve, in here you can approve and add another, as well as approve and view next. Let's say we want to approve this bill. So on the right hand side, just simply click on approve. And once you do that, as you can see, our bill is now approved. And at the bottom, we can now make our payment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.